Hello everyone, welcome to my IT world. Today I'm going to be doing a quick overview and unboxing of this beautiful motherboard from Gigabyte, the Z390 AORUS Master. It's built on Intel chipset, the Z390. It's featuring the latest, pretty much, Core i9 generation CPU. It's an LG 1151 motherboard. So let's see on the other side real quick. So here we can see the specs, supporting 9th and 8th generation Intel CPU. It's an LG 1151, has a HDMI interface, dual channel DDR4, supports up to 4 sticks of RAM, 128 gigabytes of capacity, 3 M.2 slots for SSDs, which is great, support for RAID levels 0, 1, 5 and 10, Intel Gigabit LAN adapter, as well as having a wireless adapter, has 2 USB 3.1 generation 2s with Type-C support, 3 USB 3.1 generation 2 Type A, and 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1, and 8 USB 2.0s. Of course, you're gonna have to connect them to your case to access all of them. It's an ATX motherboard, pretty much supporting all the latest features of any hardware we can find. This is an Intel-based motherboard, so don't expect any PCI Generation 4 on this one, but it's still good enough. In my opinion, PCI version 4 doesn't matter too much. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Here we go, we have motherboard, this foamy case, and inside we have some stickers. That's nice. You can put them on your case. The installation manual, and then a big user guide manual, some warranty, another quick sticker for your case, and in this compartment we have some cables. Let's see, we have, I'm not sure what this is actually, I'm gonna have to see inside in the manual. Some SATA cables. This one I think is the LED connector of some sort. I'll check it in the manual as well. Some L-shaped SATA ports, connectors. Okay, this is also an LED cable, I think. Fan cable. Looks like a thermal probe. That's nice. And another, this might be an RGB strip actually, cable. And on the other side we have some more stuff. The screws to mount the board to the case, some cable organization ties. Oh nice, we have an SLI adapter for your NVIDIA graphic cards, and an external Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. So here we go. Let's get this board out. Okay, here we go. Look at this beautiful motherboard. 4 sticks of RAM, the CPU, the 3 M.2 interfaces, and a pretty good heatsink for the VRMs. Let me try and show you a little bit closer the I/O shield. This is the I/O shield. Okay guys, thank you for watching this unboxing and overlook video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me some comments. What do you think I should improve in the videos? And I have some more videos coming up of some other IT components for this rig that I'm building. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.